अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज का हमारा लेक्चर है एवरीडे साइंस का। इसमें ब्रांचेस ऑफ साइंस हम डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले देख लेते हैं द साइंस ऑफ सॉइलनेस गार्डनिंग इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रोपोनिक्स। फिर है मेट्रोलॉजी इज द साइंस ऑफ वेट ऑफ मेजर्स। फिर नंबर 3 है पार्थिनोकार्पी इज द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फ्रूट विच मेक्स द फ्रूट सीडलेस, यानी कि जो बगैर बीज के जो फ्रूट्स होते हैं उनकी जो प्रोडक्शन है उसकी स्टडी को पार्थिनोकार्पी कहते हैं। फिर द स्टडी ऑफ लाइफ in outer space is exobiology. The study of mammals is called mammalogy. Microbiology is branch of biology related with the study of bacteria. The study of forces acting upon bodies in motion in the air is called aerodynamics. The study of fermentation is called zymology. The study of animal physiology is called zoonomy. The study of forces acting upon bodies in motion in the air, ये हो गया पहले aerodynamics. फिर a branch of medicine studying blood and its disorders is called hematology. The study of tissues is called histology. The study of aged is called gerontology. A branch of medicine dealing with eyes and a related disease is called ophthalmology. The study of postage stamps is called timbrology. उसके बाद नंबर 16 है thrapsology is the science of nutrition. Therology is the study of wild mammals. Thermokinematics is the study of motion of heat. फिर थेरियाट्रिक्स इज़ दी वेटरनरी मेडिसिन। फिर उसके बाद थियोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ रिलीजियन। फिर थैमाटोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ मिराकल्स। थैनाटोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ डेथ। फिर उसके बाद नंबर 23 है थैलेसोग्राफी इज़ द साइंस ऑफ सी। फिर टूथोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ सेफोलोपोड्स। फिर उसके बाद 25 नंबर पे है टेल्माटोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ स्वैम्प्स। फिर सेरोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ सेरम्स। फिर सिड्रोग्राफी इज द आर्ट ऑफ एनग्रेविंग ऑन स्टील। फिर सिल्विक्स इज द स्टडी ऑफ ट्रीज लाइफ। सिनोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ चाइना। फिर सेटोलॉजी इज द डाइटेक्टिक्स। सोमोटोलॉजी इज द साइंस ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैटर। स्ट्रेटोग्राफी इज द आर्ट ऑफ लीडिंग एन आर्मी। स्टोरियोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ फोक टेल्स। सीमियोटिक्स इज द स्टडी ऑफ साइंस एंड सैम्बल्स। सीमियोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ साइंस एंड सिग्नल्स। Semantics is the study of meaning. Selenology is the study of moon. फिर ideopsychology is called the study of psychology of one's own mind. Urbanology is the study of cities. Ornithology is the science which deals with study of birds. The study of animal behavior is called ethology. The study of religions is called theology. A branch of science dealing with the study of fossils is called paleontology. The science of heavenly bodies is called astronomy. The study of structures and formation of rocks and minerals on other planets is called astrogeology. Flashpoint term is related with the study of climate. Seismology is the study of earthquakes. Seagraphy is the art of shading. The study of origin and physical and cultural development of mankind is called anthropology. The study of relationship between organism and their environment is called ecology. The study of glands is called endocrinology. A study of the chemical composition of the earth crust is called geology. Satanology is called study of the devil. Rhinology is called study of the nose. The study of ferns is known as petriology. Psychopathology is called the study of mental illness. Psycho is called the study of mental states. Pseudology is called the study of science of lying. उसके बाद है सिफोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ इलेक्शन रिजल्ट्स एंड वोटिंग ट्रेंड्स। उसके बाद आता है पोलोटोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी, स्टडी ऑफ वेल्थ। द स्टडी ऑफ venereal disease is called venerology. The study of rust molds is called urinology. The study of heavens is called uranology. The study of astronomy and mapping is called uranography. The study of alien spacecrafts is called ufology. The study of blindness is called typhology. उसके बाद है the study of gypsies is called signology. उसके बाद the study of nutrition is called trophology. The study of hair and its disorders is called trichology. The study of friction and wear between surfaces is called tribology. The study of wounds and their effects is called traumatology. The study of poisons is called toxicology. The study of pronunciation is called phonetics. The study of fossil animal remains is called zoology. The study of animal diseases is called zoonosology and zoopathology. The study of flags is called vexillology. The study of glassware is called vitrix. The study of wood is called xylology. The study of planet Jupiter is called xenography. The study of veterinary surgery is called zoetrics. Podology is the study of wit. Polymology is the study of war. Potamology is the study of rivers. Politology is the study of political economy. Prosody is the study of versification. Pedology is study of mud. Pedology is the study of soils. Pedagogics is the study of teaching, जिस तरह pedagogy होता है ना. उसके बाद पेपरोलॉजी is the study of paper. Paleolimnology is the study of ancient lakes. Paleolimnology is the study of ancient fish. Pedology is the study of children. Pistheology is the study of faith. Philosophy is the study of knowledge or wisdom. Penology is the study of crime and punishment. Acarology is called the study of mites. Acoustic is the study of sound. Aerophilately is the study of collecting of airmail stamps. Agronomics is the study of productivity of land. Archaeology is the study of first principles. Ethnology is the study of science of wealth. Anthropology is the study of human cultures. Anemology is called the study of winds. Andragogy is the study of science of teaching adults. Aletheology is the study of truth. Archaeology is the study of origins of government. Aristology is the study of art of dining. Arthology is the study of joints. Audiology is the study of hearing. Autology is the study of oneself. Barology is the study of gravitation. The study of life of one's individual is called biography. Bibliology is the study of books. Chrysology is the study of precious metals. Cryptology is the study of codes. Dactyliology is the study of rings. Dactylography is the study of fingerprints. Deltiology is the study of picture postcards. Bromatology is the study of food. Brontology is the study of thunder. The study of snakes is called ophiology. The study of eggs is called oology. The study of minerals is called mineralogy. The study of minute objects is called microscopy. The study of motion is called kinematics. The study of beauty is called calology. The study of science of rainfall is called hydrology. The study of sleep is called hypnology. Calorifics is called the study of heat. Terology is the study of the hand. Enigmatology is the study of enigmas. Ergonomics is the study of deserts. Ergonomics is called the study of people at work. Ethnomethodology is called the study of everyday communication. The study of clouds is the study of nephrology. The study of spelling is called orthography. The study of sight is called optology. The study of earth's crust is called geoponics या geology या geography. The study of old age is called gerocomy. Lexicography is the art of definition of words. Lexicology is the study of words and their meaning. Logarithmics is the study of population statistics. The study of malaria is called malariology. The study of molluscs is called malacology. The study of icons, symbols is called iconology. The study of handwriting is called graphology. The study of origins of ideas is called ideogeny. The study of idiom, jargon or dialect is called idiomology. The study of formation of the earth is called geogeny. Chematology is the study of wave motion. Lithology is the study of rocks. Gynecology is the study of women's physiology. Graphology is the study of handwriting. Gnoseology is called the study of philosophy of knowledge. Gnoseology is called the study of idiom, a jargon. Immunology is called the study of immunity. A branch of medicine dealing with diagnosis and treatment of diseases of the skeletal system is called orthopedics. A study that deals with the process of fermentation is called zymology. A branch of biology dealing with structure and function of cells is called cytology. A branch of medicine dealing with skin is called dermatology. The study of fruits and seeds is known as carbology. Philology is the study of languages. Coniology is called the study of atmospheric pollutants and dust. Formicary deals with ants. A branch of medicine that deals with etiologies, mechanisms, and medicine and manifestation of diseases is called pathology. Hematology is called the study of blood. Demography is the study of population. Cartography is the art of making maps and charts. Cryogenics is the science that deals with the production, control, and application of very low temperature. Cosmography is concerned with the description and mapping of the main features of the universe. Numismatics is the study of coins. The study of personality has a broad and variety history in psychology. The branch of science which deals with structure of animals and plants is called anatomy. Lion is the only species of cat family that lives and hunts in groups. Meteorology is the science of weather. Autopsy is connected with postmortem. Anthropology is the study of man. Kleptomania means an irrational urge to steal. Eugenics is the study of unborn babies. Arboriculture is a science of the cultivation of trees. Cryptography is a branch of science which deals with secret writing. Etymology is science, या study of words. Ecology deals with relations between organisms and their environment. Oncology is the study of cancer. The study of heredity of individuals is called genetics. Epistemology is the study of knowledge. Pediatrics refers to care of children. Philately is a stem collection. Horticulture is the cultivation of flowers and fruits. Entomology deals with the study of insects. Dendrology is associated with the study of trees. Cryogenics is the science that deals with production, control, and application of very low temperature. Ornithology is the science which deals with study of birds. Anthropology is called the study of human cultures. Hagiology is called study of saints. Etymology is called study of origins of words. तो यहाँ तक हमारा जो ये टॉपिक था ये कंप्लीट हो गया ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस का। ये ब्रांचेज ऑफ साइंस जितनी भी हैं ये सारी हमारी कंप्लीट हो गई हैं। तो अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं ताकि हमारी हर नई आने वाली इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो आप तक पहुँच सके। तो इसके बाद इंशाल्लाह एवरीडे साइंस के जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स हैं वो भी आपके साथ डिस्कस किए जाएंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।